Hello everyone, welcome to Home, your 30-day yoga journey. It's day 24, Uplift. Let's get started. All right, my darling friends, let's begin in a nice, comfortable seat of your choice. Today I'm going to invite you to bring your left palm out in front when you find your seat, and then bring your right hand on top and just let your hands rest gently in your lap here in a cross-legged seat or maybe on the knees today. Close your eyes or soften your gaze gently down past your nose. And begin to notice your breath. The hard part is done. You're here. You pressed play. Begin to gently deepen your breath. And even if it was difficult to arrive here on the mat today, or maybe especially if it was difficult to arrive here on the mat today, can you allow today's uplifting flow to be a gift that you give yourself? Enjoy your gift. Deep breath in. Long breath out through the mouth. Twice more like that. Big breath in. And exhale out through the mouth. One more time. Deep breath in. And exhale out through the mouth. Awesome. Open your eyes. Bring the palms together. We're going to interlace the fingertips, but keep the index finger pointing forward so we have our steeple grip. Then send your fingertips out in front. Index fingers, point forward. We're gonna plug the shoulders back in space. And on an inhale, send your index fingers all the way up towards the sky. Big stretch through the front body. And then exhale, draw the hands in line with your heart. And that's it. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, strong focus forward as you bring the hands in line with the heart. Inhale to lift and lengthen. Exhale, hands in line with the heart. One more time with control. Inhale, lift it up. And exhale, hands in line with the heart. Great. From here, we're going to release. We're going to come forward onto all fours. Curl the toes under. Peel the tailbone up and back. Yep, you guessed it. Downward facing dog. Take a couple deep breaths here. Find what feels good in your body today. Then anchor through the left heel. Inhale, lift your right leg up high. Exhale, step it all the way up into a nice low lunge. Lower the back knee. Inhale to open the chest, look forward. Exhale to pull the right hip crease back. Flex your right toes towards your face. Our runner's stretch here. Inhale to look forward. Exhale, roll it all the way through. Pick up the back knee, plant the palms, and step it right back to downward facing dog. Good. Inhale, lift the left leg high. Exhale, squeeze, shift it all the way forward. Step it up. Nice low lunge. Lower the back knee. Inhale, open the chest, look forward, get light on the fingertips. Exhale, pull the left hip crease back. Flex your left toes towards your face. Good. Inhale to look forward. Exhale to roll through that left foot. Pick up the back knee. Then we'll plant the palms. Step it back, downward facing dog. Good. Inhale in here. Exhale to empty it out. Inhale, bend your knees, look forward. Exhale, make your way to the top. Good. Forward fold. Uttanasana, standing forward fold. Take a deep breath here. Exhale to empty it out. Then bend your knees, tuck the chin, and slowly roll it up. Enjoy this move. Stand up nice and tall, mountain pose. Lift your sternum. Try to keep an open mind, open heart today. Here we go. Moving with the breath. Inhale to reach the fingertips up towards the sky. Exhale, slow and gentle here. Forward fold all the way down. Inhale, halfway lift. Send the fingertips back, airplane arms. Exhale, soften, fold everything in. Inhale to reach for the sky. Big breath, big stretch. Exhale all the way back down, slow and steady. Inhale, halfway lift with airplane arms. Reach the fingertips back. Exhale to soften and fold in. Bend the knees. Plant the palms, step it back, plank pose. Just find a soft, easy sway here, just kind of turning on the core, waking up the muscles of the abdominal wall, finding your center. And then come back to stillness, shift forward on the toes, look forward, and slowly lower all the way down. Good, press into the tops of the feet. Inhale, rise up, cobra. Exhale to soften and fold back down. Curl the toes under, inhale in, exhale, press all the way up, top of a push-up. And then send it back, downward facing dog. All right, here we go. Inhale, lift the left leg up high with your breath. Exhale, shift it forward, step it all the way up. Squeeze the inner thighs to the midline. Inhale, we rise up strong, high lunge. Remember, you can always come back to this left knee here. Get your center underneath you, big beach ball up and overhead, lots of space. Inhale in, exhale, use that contraction of the navel in, strong core, to slowly take the left fingertips forward, right fingertips back. Beautiful. Breathe deep. From here, we're gonna take the right fingertips down. Maybe you grab the outer edge of the left leg, maybe not. Right fingertips down, left fingertips up towards the sky. Front knee stays bent. Beautiful. Inhale in here. Exhale, listen carefully. Stay connected to your center. We're gonna open up towards the left, warrior two. Ground through that back foot. Excellent. Relax your shoulders, control your breath here. Then inhale, peaceful warrior. Keep the front knee bent as you reach right fingertips all the way up and back. Inhale in here. And then exhale to cartwheel all the way back down to your lunge. Left hand comes to the earth. And inhale, reach right fingertips to the sky. Big breath, let it lift you. Lift up from the pelvic floor. And then exhale all the way back down to your lunge. Plant the palms, step the right toes back. Belly to cobra or chaturanga to upward facing dog here. Use your inhale to open your heart, open your mind. Use your exhale to make your way back. Downward facing dog. From down dog, anchor through the right heel. Inhale, lift the left leg up high. Exhale, shift it forward. Step it up, back knee lowered or lifted here. Here we go. Inhale, sweep the arms all the way up and overhead. High lunge. Find your center, control your breath. Inhale, reach all the way up. Exhale to twist. Navel draws in, hug the lower ribs in. Left fingertips back, right fingertips forward. Strong and grounded through all four corners of that front foot. Here we go. Left fingertips go down as right fingertips reach all the way up. Big breath here. Inhale. Exhale, navel draws in. We're gonna open up towards the right, warrior two. Pivot on the back foot. Nice wide stance. Control your breath, you got it. Inhale, lengthen through the crown. Keep that front knee bent, here we go. Left fingertips reach all the way up and all the way back. Peaceful warrior, nice long beautiful neck. Take a deep breath in here, stretch, and exhale the cartwheel all the way back down to the earth. Right hand presses into the yoga mat. Left fingertips reach for the sky. Big breath. And exhale all the way back down to the earth. Plant the palms, step the left toes back. Inhale to look forward, shift forward. Exhale, lower to the belly or halfway. Inhale to cobra or up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog, hips up high and back. Take a deep breath in. And a long breath out. Tuck the chin. Slowly roll all the way forward, top of a push-up. You got this. Here we go. Crown of the head reaching forward. We're gonna toe tap the right toes off the yoga mat. Then bring them back. Toe tap the left toes off the yoga mat. Then bring them back. To the right and to the left. To the right and left. Keep it going for 10. You got it. 9. Breathe deep. 8. 7. 6. You got it. 5. 4. 3. 2. And finish it up on the 1. Awesome. Slowly lower to the knees. Send the hips back. Draw the fingertips towards your toes and melt down. Child's pose. Listen to the sound of your breath. Feel how it moves you. And slowly reaching the fingertips forward. Carving a line with the nose to look forward and dragging the heart forward. We're gonna walk the knees up. Just take the legs to one side, any side, and we're gonna come to lie flat on the back. Preparing for a bridge pose. Take your time getting there. Grounding through all 4 corners of the feet, knees up towards the sky. Snuggle your shoulder blades underneath your heart space. And when you're ready, press firmly into the earth, palms kissing into Mama Earth. Here we go, peeling from the tailbone. So start at the tail, peeling up. Hip points towards the sky, shins forward. Nice, long, smooth, deep breaths here. You can find the bind, interlace the fingertips underneath you, shoulder blades kiss closely together. Shins forward, chest to chin, chin to sky. Breathe, chest to chin, chin to sky. And one more time, breathe, lift chest to chin, and chin to sky. Excellent. Slowly begin to release, nice and slow, nice and slow, nice and slow. From here, walk the soles of the feet together, knees wide. Left hand comes to the heart, right hand to the belly. Tuck the chin to lengthen through the back of the neck. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Deep breath in and a long breath out. Last one, deep breath in and long breath out. Beautiful. Now let your breath be easy here. Close your eyes, let gravity do the work. Let the nutrients of your practice settle in. And we'll take the fingertips to the outer edges of the legs. Draw the knees together. And we're gonna rock up and down the length of the spine. You can have a little fun here. Little playfulness. Maybe the toes rock back into a plow pose. Maybe not. Eventually, we'll rock all the way back up to a nice seated posture. And we're gonna bring the palms together, rub them together quickly here, creating a little bit of energy, a little bit of heat. Let it get a little faster, and a little faster, and a little faster. And then bring your hands to the chest here, feel the warmth of your hands. Inhale in. Exhale to relax the shoulders. Then gently slide your fingertips to your shoulders. Open the elbows left to right. Deep breath in. Exhale, twist to your left. Inhale to center. Twist to your right. We're gonna keep going back and forth. You can start to pick up the pace here. Syncing up with your breath. This is how we're gonna end practice today. So nice and easy. Moving back and forth, left to right. Keep it going for 5, 4, 3, 2, back to center on the 1. Thumbs come up to the third eye. We sit up nice and tall. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, relax the shoulders down. And one more time, big inhale. And exhale to bow. Thank you so much for sharing your time and your energy with me today. Namaste.